But curiosity killed the cat when she fell through the floorboards. But satisfaction brought it back when she found a valuable antique hidden inside. B. He was curious about the new restaurant in town and decided to try it. Curiosity killed the cat when the food was terrible, but satisfaction brought it back when he discovered the amazing dessert menu. Number 20. Catch the wave, meaning to take advantage of a trend or opportunity at the right time in order to achieve success. Examples: A. He caught the wave of social media and built a successful online business. B. The fashion brand caught the wave of sustainability and launched a new eco-friendly line. So there you go, guys. This video ends here about a list of 20 idioms with letters C. Thanks for watching.